You're watching this because you're wrestling with something hard. Losing faith in Christianity. That's okay. You're not broken. Many people feel this. Maybe you've hit a wall. Let's talk about what you can do, step by step, to find your way through. 1. Name what you're feeling. Start by being honest with yourself. I'm confused. I don't feel what I used to feel. Maybe you're angry at God. Maybe everything feels empty. That's valid. Don't try to push it away. Say it out loud or write it down. Bringing it into the light helps. 2. Learn that it's normal. Faith isn't always steady. It can grow and shrink, even disappear. Psychologists say this is normal when you face pain or see the world differently. You're not weak. You're human. 3. Ask questions without guilt. You might ask, why did God allow this? Or, is the church full of hypocrisy? These are real questions. It's okay to ask them. Read, listen to honest talk. Find people who won't shame you for doubting. It's not wrong to dig deep. It can actually lead to new growth. 4. Reach out. Don't go it alone. Talk to someone. It could be a trusted friend, pastor, counselor, or someone who's walked this path before. Support helps you sort your thoughts. You don't need to defend your questions. You just need someone to hear you. 5. Try small faith steps. Even tiny things can help. Pray for strength. Thank God for simple good things. Read a verse that once gave you hope. These little actions aren't magic fixes, but they can remind you that this journey isn't only about what you feel. It's also about what you do. 6. Be open to new faith. Maybe what you believed before has changed. That's okay. You can rebuild something new. It might look different, and it might feel more honest. You could find value in prayer, quiet moments, serving others, or a church that feels more like home. Losing faith doesn't have to be the end. It can be the start of something deeper. Be patient with yourself. Ask your hard questions. Talk about them. Take small steps. Let your mind and heart guide you. And trust this, your journey matters. If you love this video and want more like it, subscribe, comment, like, and share.